My car, you bro.
Ora to Sammy.
Oh, porque si que es al área.
잡아가. Should have been bak met de kid. Ja, ja.
Where are you?
So team, welcome to our YouTube channel, boys and girls. Whoever's watching again, I love you guys. But I'm exhausted. I've been swimming this whole time. Yeah? Since 7 o'clock. Oh, 8 to 9 o'clock. But right now we're just eating as a team, family, drinks, chicken, hot dog, rice. Not just a little bit of food, but always good time to chill with the family. Yes sir, yes sir. Yeah, grab that dog, man. Grab that dog. Y'all grab that dog. Yes, sir. Grab that dog. It's almost time. It's almost time to grab them doggies. Let's go get us some. Go. Time for me to get me some for the some. What's the plate? Here you go. Excuse me, sorry. Hmm? Hey guys. Ya shut Her uçaktan gidiyor bu. İntake babarako. İntake bako. Her uçaktan var. İntake bako. Yeah. Oh. Segura second plate. That boy did it. Oh. Ay.
Bad score, bro. They were like 35, 18.
Oh, Rawid. You always say best score.
They're winning that.
K on them. K for all the boys, our brothers. If you guys watching this, we're eating just for you guys. OTF all the way. Hopefully you guys win.
Yes.
God bless.
God bless. God bless.
And also, Brother Sam's team and Brother Math, UNGD. Good luck to all your teammates out there.
Yes, sir. Don't forget. I was gonna say, don't forget Royals, bro.
Oh yeah, Royals too and KPNC.
Hold this down. Wait, hold it. Say this why we have a caring brother.
That's why we have a caring brother who cares about the older bros. Here, I don't win.
Hold the cocoa. Nigga, you just covered it.
YouTube. YouTube, you.
Gotta get the doggy, you know? Gotta get the doggy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You don't like the big one?
It's gone. It's killed it.
Big one is gone. Irritate. Big
How
one.
your turn go?
No. No, you just want to sit down.
Yeah, that's where I was sitting.
Let's get in. Let's get in.
Sit down over here.
Let's get in a little bit. Oh, you what? Oh, God.
Did you turn it around or just the same way? That's okay. It's okay. These guys first. How's the food? Good? I didn't even ask you, bro. Damn.
Yo, the big hot dog is hot.
What'd you say, man?
He said the big hot dog is hot.
Have it. How's that done? How's it built it?
Ooh, there's still more. Yes, sir. What do you say? When there's more.
Huh?
Did your seconds, your thirds, your fourths, your
Yeah,
fifths?
your fifth, sixth.
How do you eat all of? How do you eat your third one?
We just take it, and if it's the third one, you just take a quick bite and then think.
Delicioso. Okay. Bye bye.